Hi guys, welcome to Insight SSB YouTube channel. I'm Vishali and I'm here again with a very interesting video for all of you. As the name of the channel suggests, Insight SSB, we are going to dive a little more deeper into SSB and try and analyze that where exactly our performance is getting hampered. SSB stand for Service Selection Board and is taken by Army, Air Force, Navy and also Coast Guard to select those vibrant officers into services based upon 5-day long process of interview, and they analyze your OLQs in the same. Okay, so we are going to discuss very interesting topic today, and that is decision making. The speed of decision taking, why you took a decision and how exactly it hampered or maybe prospered your life. So you must have heard a lot of absurd question coming from interviewing officer, like why did you take this particular subject? If you took this subject, then why you changed your stream in graduation? Why you took a drop year? Why didn't you join a job immediately after graduation even though you had such a good opportunity? These decisions actually play a very important part in your life because they channelize the life in a proper direction or maybe into a negative direction as well. Via your decision making, they are able to analyze whether will you take proper decisions when you are into services. Why? Because decision making plays a very important part if you are going to be an officer. You will have around 20, 30, 40, 100 men under you depending upon what rank you are on. And thereafter, those men's safety, be that you're in combat role or maybe you are from, one of the arms that is a supporting arm, there will be a lot of responsibility on your shoulders that whether these lives will be safe or not. Any of your decision can lead to death of so many young soldiers under you. And certainly, their families are also affected. So the decision you take here is not like corporate world that only money will be lost. Here, life will be lost. So they need people that are very apt in decision making, and hence it is very important perspective. This is not only analyzed in your interview, but also in psychological assessment, as you must have seen SRTs or maybe TAT in case you are putting down some problem and solving it out. Also SRTs, if I talk about you are struck in one of the accident, what will you do? You may be into any of the forest area, what will you do? So these are the type of questions that come up. Even in the ground task, you are a commander and you have to take decision that how will you take your subordinates from this place to that place, and in case they fall out from that particular fatta or balli, whatever you used. So that is also a case that you will do the same in upcoming life as an officer. Then even in group planning, what decisions you took, how you distributed the group, where they went. So these are all the part of decision making, and it is being continuously analyzed, and it is one of the most important aspects. So let us deal with the same through this video. Try and analyze how to improvise your decision making, how to make sure that you take right decisions in life, and in case you have taken certain wrong decisions in life beforehand, so will it impact your SSB or not? I'll be dealing it thoroughly in this video. So let us jump right into the video. So during my experience of training my students for SSB and giving almost 44 recommendation in past 6 months along with All India ranks like All India rank 16 in CDS 1 2020, that is Prashant, Navya, that is All India rank 7 CDS 1 2020, who is recently going to join OTA. Also various other people like Nirmal and Wasim who are right now in NDA. Various other entries of NDA, CDS, FCAT, ACC and NCC, I realized that while analyzing my students through personal guidance program, I recognize that one thing is lacked by candidates, or either they are not able to project it as they are not self-aware. Okay, it's not important that they are lacking it. Sometimes they're themselves not aware that they have this quality. Now let us take one daily life example to understand it better, and thereafter we will dive into proper SSB examples. For example, you have to travel from Delhi to Bangalore. Okay, being a person right now, you have constraints like time, money and comfort. Here reasoning ability come into role. You're taking a decision based upon these constraints And thereafter, we are checking your reasoning ability, as in what kind of reasons do you put while taking your decisions. For example, if there is a person who is a CEO or maybe any high ranking official, what is important for this person? Is it time or is it money? Of course, for a person like CEO, money won't be an issue, because if he wastes time traveling in a train, maybe he'll lose 1 crore deal, right? If there is a person who is just a student as of now and he or she has to travel, so what is important? For them, at this point in time, money is more important. Why? Because they are kind of dependent on their parents and henceforth they cannot waste money. But while they travel from train, they can read 2 books maybe during this 2-day journey and utilize their time in different manner. So when we see here, no decision is wrong, whether you are a CEO or you are a student. Decision is not at all wrong. What matters is that as a person, the decision that you take and how are these constraints affecting your decision. That is why I always say that you are different. Every SSB you will give will be different from your friend, because you are completely a different personality. Hence, there is no hard and fast rule that this is the way you have to be an officer. Nothing like that. There is no fixed path. I do get a lot of calls like, ma'am, I dropped a year. Will I get recommended? Ma'am, my marks are very, very less. Will I get recommended? Now, what matters is that why this thing happened. What decision you took thereafter. This is what will create an impact and will actually lead to your recommendation or rejection. Now, as all of you must have been through psychological assessment in case you're a repeater, and if you're a fresher, you will go through it. So I would like to give you an example through which your decision making comes into role. If an SRT is given that he was going to office and he saw an accident and person was badly injured. Now please take a note of few things. What is written here is that a person is badly injured and an accident is seen and the person is going to his office. Okay. Now this severity can increase. For example, in office he has a very important meeting, okay, which if he loses out, there are chances that he may lose his job. So there are various other constraints that are being put up. Now if we come in a real life situation, the issue with you people is that you guys take it in a way that it is given to you. You never imagine yourself into that situation, and that is why you give very weird answers or sometimes very Bollywood kind of answers. Okay. If we come into real life, we will have 2 options. Okay. The first one being that I will save the life, that is I'll do something for it, or I will reach office on time. Now these are 2 things that a person will do. And my question to you is that why you choose anything and what will you do? You have very good options of taking decisions, like first one being that I'll call an ambulance, and the second one being that someone else will look into it. These are 2 decisions that you can take at that point in time. Also, you have one more thing, that is if you're taking this decision that someone else will take a role into it. This shows the attitude of ignorance. Now my question to you is that this option is of course available for you, but is it actually an officer like quality? Think yourself, will any officer do something like this? Will they ignore any such situation and moreover go for the job? Now talking about the first, that is ambulance. Now my question to you is it a practical thing? Because I have seen a lot of my students putting up this option into their SRTs. This is India, okay. Ambulance reaching will take time and that may lead to losing one life. Is it a practical thing? Think twice before answering anything. It is not United States of America that you will get ambulance within 2-3 minutes. Nothing like that. So please take a note of these very important points. Now coming to the next step, that is whenever you are taking any kind of decision, how much emotional presence do you have in that decision? This factor while taking the decision should be the least. मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा कम होना चाहिए ये factor. Why? For example, you go into a war-like situation, there are troops with you and there is one person with whom you are very, very attached and that person gets hit by the bullet. But in case you go and fetch that person, that may lead to 3 other people getting affected. So what kind of decision you will take? You will get into a distress situation right away as soon as you see that person getting hurt. Your brain will stop working and you will not be able to take a right decision at the right time, and this will affect the people who are under you. Being an officer, this thing will not work. If you're a Jawan, this thing can work maybe, but being an officer, this thing will not work, and that is why SSBs are taken while selecting any officer. Coming on to the next situation, that she was asked to leave the job after marriage. Now this is one of the situation that ladies get, that is women candidates get the situation, not linked anyhow with guys. Okay, आपके लिए balancing situation आ सकती है that your wife and your mother they have some issues, so what you will do. So वो वाली situation आ सकती है जिसमें you have to give very balanced answers. But as a woman, she was asked to leave the job after marriage. What should she do? So now in this situation, what will you do as a lady? One thing I would like to tell all you girls, that you are born leaders. Okay, you have this natural trait. You have this natural trait of managing things very well. As you must have seen all your mothers, you must have seen one thing, that कितना भी उन्हें पैसा दो घर में, if you are giving them 10,000 in a month, वो घर का खर्चा चला लेती हैं, ठीक है, लिमिटेड मनी में भी, एंड किसी को फील भी नहीं होने देती दैट हमारे पास किसी चीज़ की कमी है. आपको अच्छे से फ्रूट्स भी खिलाएंगी, हर चीज़ का ध्यान रखेंगी. दे हैव वेरी गुड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ मनी इन देयर हैंड. व्हेन इट कम्स टू देयर जॉब, if your mother is working, and talking about the household work that they do both of these things together, and they do it very very well. Even at the same time, they're also taking care that their kids, they are working well, they are studying well. So these things are taken care of by a woman. This shows that they have very high management power, and this is the reason why girls get recommended the most, because of their emotional intactness. Second thing, they are born leaders. Now I would like to point one thing that women lack, and that is taking the right decision. Sometimes they lack in taking right decision, and the reason for the same is societal pressures. Okay, क्योंकि लड़कियों को थोड़ा दबाया जाता है in our society. A lot of the families are quite good, they don't do it, but we cannot avoid the fact that at some places this is still present. Now you have to change one thing in you in case you are not getting recommended, and the decision making power is the main reason for it. You have to take the decision, and you have to take a stand for your decision. If you have planned that you will do the job, it is your work to make others believe you that I will do the job, I will take care of the family, I will take care of the responsibilities very very well. Be confident, because if you will be confident about your decision, you are firm about your decisions, that will actually show up during your SSB. You have to change one thing if you are a women candidate and you lack in decision making power, because this is one part. Else than that, you're born leaders, you're good managers, and that's why there are very high chances of you guys getting recommended. Okay, now moving on to interview. Why you took a drop here, why you didn't join a job, to whom are you more close? These are the questions that come up. They are trying to get inside your life, and why is it happening? I'll deal with it. First question, that why you took a drop, why you didn't join a job. Through this, they are trying to analyze that how these decisions have actually affected your life. What's been your productivity? That is what they are trying to analyze. Okay, so for example, if you have dropped 1 year, fine, so what have you gained in this? This is what they want an answer of. If you have gained something, very very good. If you haven't gained anything, what is the next step? This is a decision that you're taking. ठीक है, अगर आप बार बार अगैन एंड अगैन, इवन आफ्टर सो मेनी फेलियर्स, आप स्टिल उस चीज़ को कंटिन्यू कर रहे हो, यू आर स्टिल टेकिंग द ड्रॉप ईयर्स, इट शोज दैट योर डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर इज वेरी वीक. व्हाई? Because you are wasting the most important years of your life. You're wasting the precious years. You're wasting your parents' money. This is the time when people are expecting you to get settled, and you're literally wasting the time. You're not joining any job. 2-3 years down the line, you're wasting completely. Okay, so if you've dropped a year, what you have gained, this is the most important thing. And if you haven't, then proceed with the backup. I'll discuss it more holistically ahead, so please take a note of it. Moving on to the next question, that is, to whom you are more close, your father or your mother? Now, coming to the constraints regarding this very thing, the first thing that comes up is how close you are to somebody who had been more helpful to you, okay, then with from whom you have learned more things, then with whom you have spent more time, and emotional level आप कितना शेयर करते हो किसी के साथ. And as I've already told, this should be the least while taking any decision. Okay, so if you're not close to other parent, then why? This question will be also asked. Now, what is being checked here? These things talk a lot about your ideology. They are trying to ask you the questions in a different way. Okay, that is why this is a test of personality, जहां पर किसी और तरीके से बिना डायरेक्ट हुए आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं. ये क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली आपके फादर एंड मदर रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन नहीं है. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन अबाउट your ideology. What ideology do you hold? What kind of personality you have? What kind of positives and negatives you think about? Because if they ask you question directly, as a normal human being, you have a tendency of denial. You will always say that everything is good, ठीक है. लेकिन indirectly अगर आपसे question पूछे जाएंगे, आपके सारे traits निकल जाते हैं. That is why it is always said that faking will never ever help you in your SSBs. The only thing that can help you is changing yourself. That's it. Try and analyze where you lack. Now coming to the next one, that is which city you liked living the most. What are they expecting out of you here? The constraints that come up here is that hygiene कैसी है आपकी सिटी की, ठीक है, cleanliness कैसी है, then coming to the next thing, that is people, what kind of people do you have, facilities क्या है. So इस basis पे आप decision लेते हो और किन किन points को आप follow करते हो while taking the decision. That is what constraints you think about. This is what basically talks about your personality, right? So these are the things that are taken care of. Now, when we talk about these constraints, I've been using this word a lot. So basically, these are the options जिनको आपको actually तोलना है कि कौन सी constraint सही है मेरे हिसाब से, and उसके according आपको decision लेना है, ठीक है. Now, why are these constraints? कि आपने कौन सा choose किया, आपकी reasoning ability check की जाती है कि आपकी reasoning कितनी strong है, that what is right and what is wrong. अगर आप चीज़ों को पहले से ही सोच के जाते हो, this actually improves the power of expression, which is again one of the officer like qualities. Okay, अगर आप constraints को properly सोचोगे पहले से ही, तो आपका expression better होगा, you'll be able to answer better, आपका जो speech होगा that will be fast, आपके जो expressions होंगे काफ़ी अच्छे होंगे. Knowledge about things is very very important, because through knowledge you generate idea, and this shows the speed of your decision. So how to make good decision in life and improve decision making, this is the most important thing if you lack. Now, knowledge, as I told, is very important. Gain a lot of knowledge. Why? Because if you read or you have any practical knowledge, this will increase your awareness level, ठीक है. अवेयरनेस इंक्रीज होगी, इसके थ्रू आप आइडियाज जनरेट कर पाएंगे, ठीक है. इफ यू आर एबल टू जनरेट आइडियाज, this will increase the speed of decision taking, and the speed of decision taking is again one of the thing that is one of the OLQ, and the speed is being watched there in the ground task कि आप कोई भी अगर decision लेते हो, how fast you take it, what kind of ideas you are generating. Okay, आपने एक चीज नोटिस की होगी that office going people are usually appreciated more. Why? Because they're able to balance things, they're able to do things in a much better way. उनके पास knowledge ज़्यादा है, उनके पास आपसे ज़्यादा awareness level है, ठीक है. They are the people who are managing things better than you. Self introspection is again a very important thing. Why you took the decision, why the constraints were there, were they thought of well? Because if you do self introspection, आप constraints अच्छे से सोचोगे, आप आंसर अच्छे तरीके से कर पाओगे. It is not that you lack OLQ. You may not be able to express it. काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता है, काफ़ी सारे मेरे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो 6 टाइम भी रिकमेंड हुए हैं, उनके अंदर कमी नहीं थी. इट वॉज नॉट दैट दे डिडंट हैव OLQ. द ओनली थिंग दैट दे लैक्ड इज सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. दे डिडंट नो हु दे आर एंड दे कुडंट प्रोजेक्ट देयर OLQs in front of their interviewing officer or maybe psychologist. That is the thing that was lacking in them. अब आपके जो डिसीजंस हैं वो सोशली, मोरली, इमोशनली एंड इंटेलेक्चुअली एक्सेप्टेबल होने चाहिए, ठीक है. जितने भी आपने डिसीजंस लाइफ में लिए हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप चोरी कर रहे हो, ठीक है, एंड यू हैव चेंज योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज दिस थिंग इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. फोर्सेज में सबसे पहली चीज होती है अ पर्सन शुड बी मोरली वेरी मच करेक्ट, सोशली एक्सेप्टेबल पर्सन होना चाहिए. तो कभी भी कोई डिसीजन लेते हो या कभी भी कोई आंसर करते हो, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, द पर्सन हु इज सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू इज ऑफ एन एज ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स एंड दे विल थिंक in the similar manner. They may get friendly with you, but while they are taking a decision, they'll take a note of all the things you said and they will create a good opinion about you, which will actually decide whether you should be recommended or not. पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस अगर आपकी लाइफ में रहे हैं जिसमें आपने फेलियर्स एक्सपीरियंस किए हैं, आप उस चीज से डीमोरलाइज हो जाते हो, ठीक है, लेकिन आपको डीमोरलाइज नहीं होना है. इंस्टेंट यू हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम देम. यू हैव टू शो दैट हाउ यू हैव चेंज्ड योरसेल्फ, नॉट लाइक कि आप पहले चोरी करते थे एंड बाद में आपने करनी बंद कर दी. दिस इज नॉट एन एक्सेप्टेबल थिंग. इसलिए मैं डिस्क्लेमर डाल देती हूँ कि सोशली, मोरली और इमोशनली करेक्ट होनी चाहिए चीजें. ओके, सो ऑलवेज हैव एग्जाम्पल्स. जैसे आपने 1 साल ड्रॉप किया तो उसके बाद आपने ऐसा क्या डिसीजन लिया जिसने आपकी लाइफ को चेंज किया. ओके, हमेशा अपनी लाइफ में एक एग्जाम्पल्स रखे ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट. अगर आप कोई भी ऐसी अपनी नेगेटिव बात बताते हैं तो आप अपने आप को कैसे चेंज कर रहे हो, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ द थिंग्स इज ऑलवेज गुड. जैसे अगर आपके मार्क्स कम आए तो क्यों कम आए, until unless again it is not socially, morally and emotionally incorrect. क्यों कम आए आपके मार्क्स, you should have an idea about it. Why you took a decision of taking a particular subject, why you did anything like this, ठीक है. So this is what I wanted to tell you about decision making. I hope this video must have been quite helpful for all of you. Also make sure that you give me more ideas that what kind of videos you are looking up for regarding SSB, because SSB is one of the things that I deal with my students who are enrolled with me in the courses. So if you have specific areas that you wish to ask, I'll surely assist you with the same. I'm also planning to get you one story writing video in which you'll get an ideology कि किस तरीके से improve करें, ठीक है. So that is all about this video. Now if you wish that you get a guidance directly from me, you can go for the video lecture courses. You will find very good content in this, so as to how to, you know, basically project yourself into SSBs, what all to do, how to do. So these are the various courses which has helped a lot of people to get recommended. Thereafter, in case you're looking for one-to-one assessments, you can go for the personal guidance program on Insight SSB, and you can contact us on this number. Thank you so much for giving your time, and all the best. Keep working hard, and I'm very sure that a lot of you will get stars on your shoulders or the stripes on your shoulders and the flying wing on your chest very soon. I hope that all of you achieve the dream of that dream uniform. If you want to see yourself in blue, olive greens, I hope that that dream come live very soon. All the best, guys. Keep working hard, and I wish to see all of you in that list.